And when you're making games, there's essentially three major segments that like, or major sections that come into play, major roles. So one is programming. So a programmer would write the code to define the functionality of the game. A game designer who would design the rules of the game. So if you played something like Halo, so there's actually a lot of game designers working on like AAA projects where each one has like a set role of like designing a gun that feels good to use, right? Things like that. So, and a game designer's job is to define the rules. Like it's not at all to create art assets or anything. It's essentially just creating a document which lays down what are the features and what is the world gonna feel like, what is it gonna be like, and just defining the vision of the project, right? And the third section is art, right? So every game that you see is like the first thing that you see is the art. So there's 3D art, there's 2D art. So depending on that, there's like different kinds of artists who work on a game.